Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We just wrapped up another successful energy sector trade over at Big Energy Profits, and I want to break it down for you. Before we do that, of course, just take a quick second, look over this disclaimer. Anything I share with you is for information and educational purposes only. So this was alerted to my BEP members. This is a ticker JKS. It's a solar holding company, and it had triggered a sell. So when I saw the sell, I had waited for price to retrace a little bit, which in fact it did when I finally had triggered the opportunity. Now the opportunity, we got short at 45.35, and we were looking for support at 29.80, and that in fact is where we hit it. And I'll show you the longhand analysis on this in just a second, but just utilizing our volume-based indicators, it was easy for me to identify that this was, of course, in a downtrend. I had clear room to run towards a supplier demand zone that could have potentially reversed price for me, and this was a low risk, high probability trade that was well worth modeling and sharing with my Big Energy Profit subscribers. So taking a look at the longhand analysis, we had broken that descending lower support line. So after that break, I was looking for the next area of support, and that next area of support is where we closed our position at about 29.80. Now this yielded, if you'd shorted the actual stock, about a 35.29% move on the stock itself to the downside. Now just keep in mind, when you short a stock, you have to borrow it basically and pay interest on it. So the less risky, the more opportunistic way to do this was to buy a put option. So that's what we did. We bought a put option, and that put option rewarded us with an 82.76% return on investment. As the price fell, the value of that put option increased, and this is how we played this over at Big Energy Profits for our subscribers and members. Hustle in silence and let the success make the noise. Let your success make the noise. What does that mean? It means you don't need to sit there and pound your chest. You don't need to sit there and tell everybody how great you are. Just do your thing and do it to the very best of your ability. Other people will start to go, hey, that guy's doing something different than me. You know, he's living a different lifestyle than I am, and that will pique their interest. You don't need to sit there and rub it in their face, because really it just degrades all the value that you've added to yourself, and that's just my personal opinion. But when I saw this quote, that was my thought I wanted to share with you guys today. Now, if you'd like to learn more how you can identify high quality trades like the one I just showed you, low risk, high probability, utilizing our volume-based indicators, I mean, you can clearly see I'm taking these indicators and we're putting them to work in my Big Energy Profit service. So there is some validity here to exactly what we're doing. If you'd like to learn more, there's a link below this video. If you click on it, it'll take you to the Project V-Swarm webinar. In this webinar, you're going to see example after example of how we use these volume-based indicators to, of course, predict what the market's going to do. Volume precedes price action. If you'd like to learn more about how I personally do it and the trades that I issue to my members at Big Energy Profits, you're, of course, welcome to visit us there as well. So with that, guys, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying well. Most importantly, I hope you're healthy, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.